Hey, Charisse here, and I am soldering a ring band onto the back of the back plate. So I am spraying the flux onto the back plate. I'm pulling out the ring shank out of the flux, and I'm getting it centered on there. Now I am adding on my solder bits onto the ring joins where I want it to be attached to the back plate, making sure that it's good and straight. Getting my torch ready.
Yeah, that might be helpful.
And off I go. We are going to circle round and round and round for a little while and till that it starts to get nice and hot. And you'll see the ring band there getting nice and red. I know it's hard to see. I'm trying to do the best I can with my phone right now before I can get a vlogging camera. Eventually I will though, hopefully by this summer, so it'll be easier. So the joints have soldered. Yay! Snaps and thumbs up all around. Putting it in water to quench real quick, and then I'm gonna throw it in my pickle pot. This is what she looks like after when I've pulled her out of the pickle. Nice and silver, and she looks pretty. And that gorgeous moonstone's going in.